Brings to an end an intense session of cricket. South Africa chipping away another 91 runs, but for the loss of 1 wicket. AB de Villiers going for 88. Finally, England taking a catch in the outfield, but Hashim Amla is still there. 132 to his name, and he was given another life to go with the one we saw yesterday. This time went on 120. Nick Compton putting down the chance. So, South Africa still 339 runs adrift of the follow-on target, but after 97 overs in the field, I think we might well see England bat again, no matter what happens.